Hello guys, Verbs week 19. My name is K. Kelson.
This is Aaron.
Yeah. Say what you wanna say. Baby, feel free with me. I won't judge you, 'cause nobody's perfect. Say what you need to say. Let it out now. Let it out now. Say what you have to say. Let it all out. Let it all out. Remember, we are humans. Everybody makes mistakes. Oh, baby, don't fake it. Oh, baby, keep it real. Open up to me. Open up to me. I see the rain in your eyes. I see your hands are trembling. Oh, baby, I can take it. Open up to me. Open up to me. Say what you need to say. Let it out now. Let it out.